Innovation requires iteration. Iteration is key. If you can speed that up, your time to market is accelerated. We're using our Rize 3D printer for iterative development of our products. Our engineers will develop a new idea and we'll run it through proof of principle through our Rize printer. Our engineers here use Rize to generate components of our system in test. The part is submitted to our department and we create an engineering model within 24 to 48 hours. To waste that much time with support removal is unreasonable. In our company, it is hard for us to iterate in a fast-paced manner by having to wait 24 hours plus for soaking of 3D printed parts. Rize provides us with the opportunity to snap that support clean off and cut our time down by hours, sometimes even days. You can imagine how this time savings can escalate when taking into consideration multiple iterations required for your average component. We're an innovation technologies company. Rize is an innovation technologies company. It's a no-brainer that we should work together.